Hey guys, I'm not here for phones in Nepal, and this is my full review of Huawei's latest mid-tier smartphone, the Huawei Nova 3E. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. With the notch design getting more mainstream, multiple OEMs are adopting this trend. Huawei too with the Nova 3 has adopted this craze. The phone packs a notch on top side of a 5.84-inch Full HD plus IPS display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. Images and text on this panel look sharp with amazing details and vibrancy. The viewing angles too are great, but I do wish the display got a tad bit brighter. Though the phone packs the infamous notch, it didn't cause any hindrance in my media consumption. At first it was a bit unusual, but I slowly got used to it. And hey, the phone does give you the option to hide the notch just in case via software from the settings. And encasing this behemoth of a display is a glass-on-glass design sandwiched by a metal frame. This not only gives the phone a jaw-dropping look but also a great in-hand feeling. Although a bit slippery, the touch of the rounded glass gives the phone an overall ergonomic sensation. And adding to that is the fact that the phone maintains a sleek profile with narrow dimensions and minimum bezels. The Huawei Nova 3 in the camera department packs a dual camera setup made by a 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel lens. Shooting pictures with the pair has been a surreal experience. The picture quality of the phone is very good with adequate amount of sharpness and vibrancy. The camera UI too is packed with tons of modes. Modes like the Pro Photo mode, time-lapse and slow motion are all here. The phone also packs a 16 megapixel front camera for all your social media worthy selfies. The images from the shooter were as good as the ones from its rear counterpart. Even though the phone does not come with a dual camera setup at the front, it does come with a portrait mode. Being emulated by software, the bokeh effect on images from the shooter didn't work as well. That aside, the camera also comes with other useful modes like the AR lens and perfect selfies. They both work as intended and are a great way to take some cool looking selfies. And just sitting below the rear cameras is a fingerprint scanner that works super well. I was easily able to unlock the phone in a jiffy. That said, I haven't made much use of it as I am more inclined towards using the face unlock feature that the phone comes with. It works so well that I've ditched using the digit sensor in favor of it. Moving on, talking about the performance of the Nova 3E, the phone was able to fly through all my day-to-day tasks. Doing the basics like scrolling through Facebook, posting some Instagram pictures and surfing the internet has been a smooth experience. This is all thanks to the in-house Kirin 659 processor backed by 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The phone also supports memory expansion via a micro SD card up to 256GB. Gaming too on this phone has been a pleasant experience. All the games including heavy titles like PUBG, Asphalt Extreme ran without a hitch. That said, I do wish Huawei had used an upgraded chipset with more horsepower on this phone. But for now, the SoC works superbly even by today's standard. The Huawei Nova 3 in the software front runs EMUI 8.0 based on Android 8.0 Oreo. Running a custom skin, the phone brings a lot of useful feature and software tweaks like the game launcher, app twin and a one-handed mode. Overall, the UI on the Nova 3 is markedly functional with room for customizability. The Nova 3 also has a bottom-firing speaker which provides a great output. It strikes a perfect balance between bass and loudness. The phone also retains the 3.5mm headphone port, which is slowly becoming a rarity these days. And finally, powering this device all up is a 3000 mAh non-user removable battery. The battery life on this phone has been great as it's lasted me a good 4 to 5 hours of on-screen time with my medium to heavy usage of the phone. With a power-efficient Kirin processor and optimized software, the battery life of the phone is commendable. This without a doubt will be enough to get users through a day of usage on a single charge. Huawei this time around has finally listened to the consumers and packed in a USB Type-C port. The phone also comes with fast charging capabilities, making fueling the device up a lot easier. So in conclusion, the Huawei Nova 3 is an amazing smartphone that has a lot to offer. The phone packs a jaw-dropping design that rivals the likes of flagship smartphones. The in-hand feeling of the glass and metal is equally amazing as its design. It also packs an amazing display, feature-packed software and a subpar performance. The notch does make an appearance, but it's not that bad. As you use the device, you slowly get the hang of it, and if you still don't fancy it, you can easily go back to the 18:9 display format from the settings. Besides this, the phone also sports an amazing camera that is worthy of its superstar persona. There is no doubt the Nova 3 is one of the best mid-tier smartphones in the market right now. And for that, we award the Huawei Nova 3 with our Editor's Choice Award for the class of 2018. So that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The full written review of this phone is available at our website. Links will be down in the description. As always, guys, it's been me, Samrat for Phones in Nepal, and I'll see you guys in the next one.